If you'll be looking towards getting in on the NFT action, today is your lucky day. I'll be looking into StreamingArt collection as we celebrate the artists behind this collection. Now, xXanderC is currently the owner of the collection. You can see this is the official website, xXanderCblockchain.com. So, as an artist, you get the opportunity to build a community around your collection, push out innovative designs and attractive artistic work. And for users, you get the opportunity to collect this awesome work, use it to do whatever you want to do. You can frame it, keep it in your homes, you could also gift it out to your loved ones. Now I'm just going to show you guys. So this is the official handle on X. So this tweet was made about some days back, July 5th 2024. Says here, head over to NFT Hive and grab 2 raffle packs every 30 minutes before they sell out. Now, this collection is going to be built on the Wax blockchain. So the cool thing is that on Wax, each NFTs, Wax blockchain is built for creators. So there are lots of utilities on the Wax blockchain. So this makes it easy for NFT collections to get access to utilities. They could also easily partner with a project and push out utility. Now, for this drop, users holding Wax token, Stream token, that's a native token, Woofy token, and TLM, they were able to use it to claim this drop. Now, this is an innovative utility you can add to your token, giving it multi payment purposes. Now, so this is the NFT marketplace. You can check out the collections that they've done so far. We have Halloween here. You can see the price, just 10 wax token. You can be able to purchase these and use it for in-game any supported game that the artist partners with. Now, these are some of the top collections they've dropped so far. You could also support them by looking out for anyone you want to purchase or that you find attractive. So you want to draw inspiration from these artists, you can also follow them. Make sure you follow them so you don't miss out on future packs. Now also, if you go over on Wax, you can also see lots of other artists that you can also make sure you follow and stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned and peace out, guys.